In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to manage the inventory in your Shopify store. This process will enable you to accurately keep track of your products, know when you are low or out of stock, and make adjustments as needed. Begin on the inventory page. To access this first, navigate to your Shopify admin page. Here, look for the tag labeled Products and click on it. A drop-down menu should appear. On that menu, select Inventory. This is where we will get started. Next, let's explore Location. If you have products at more than one location, a drop-down menu will be visible. Select the location that houses the product or products you wish to manage. Options for these locations can include warehouses, storefronts, pop-up stores, or even your garage, wherever you are keeping your inventory. Now, let's find your product. You have several methods available to locate the specific item you want to adjust. One method is to use the search bar. Simply enter your product's name or SKU into the bar, and the results should reveal your desired product. Alternatively, you can use filters to sieve through products by categories, conditions, or stock availability. If you need to adjust your quantities, there are a few different methods depending on the nature of your products. For a single variant, locate the product you are adjusting. Then click on either the terminology "on hand" or "available" to edit the quantity. For multiple variant adjustments, first select all variants that require adjusting. Then, click the option labeled Update Quantities and input the necessary adjustment amounts. For products without variants, navigate to the individual products page. There, in the Inventory section, click the Available or On Hand term to adjust the quantities. After you make the necessary changes, ensure to save them. The easiest way to do this is to click the button labeled Save. This will confirm your inventory adjustments. Now that you've made adjustments, you can also take advantage of some tips for better inventory management. The first is to ensure that Track Quantity is checked off for all products that you need to manage. By doing this, you can choose whether to continue selling a product when it's out of stock. Another handy tool is the Inventory History that provides a log of all past inventory adjustments. This can help you analyze changes in your inventory over time. Furthermore, by installing Shopify Flow, you can create automated workflows, like receiving notifications when your stock is low. For additional advanced features like forecasting and syncing across various channels, explore the inventory management apps in the Shopify App Store. Lastly, to prevent overselling, it can be beneficial to conduct physical stock counts at regular intervals. This helps to ensure your on-hand inventory matches your records in Shopify, thus preventing any discrepancies between your virtual and actual inventory. Thank you for joining this tutorial in managing your Shopify store's inventory. Ensure to come back for more tips and tutorial videos.